y'all, it's me, Laura B at Craft and See with Laura B, and I'm coming to you live from standing on a metal box so I can be tall enough to see into my iPad and make sure that this is in frame. Shut up, Mitzi. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because I'm short and, well, she's not. And I had to raise it up high enough that I know that I'm in frame, and, well, the higher I had to raise it, the less I could see it. Chair was too tall. This little metal, it's actually a Brinks metal locking file box. I got it at the Goodwill store, and it doesn't have a key. Anyway, so here we are. Hopefully it won't give way. Alright, this is my flip through of the Christmas journal, which it does not have a name. And I may put something on here, but I like it, so I probably won't. Alright, here we go. Now, you've seen most of this, so this will be pretty quick. I'll link everybody that all the creators that I used, and just ignore everything else you see. Kind of like when people come in here and it's a hot mess, and I tell them, just ignore everything, just focus on this. Alright. So how is everyone? It's Thursday. I'm like hunched over. My arms are short. It's like got T-Rex arms trying to reach. You know, you can complain and whine all you want about being tall, but being short's no picnic either. Except for, oh, I might have to fix that. Except for, you know, leg room. I have a lot of leg room. So on a lot of these, I didn't do anything to the pages because I liked them. Oh, Santa. And there's still, even though it's long towel style, I still made sure there's lots of journaling spots. Alright, so here's the middle. Remember, get them over here. Move my mouse. And then more, and then one more. So there's that. Here's the hidden pocket, which isn't quite so hidden. My collaging attempts. Here's the center. And I added charms. There's that. And then here. My dog's coming down the stairs. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. No, I cannot do anything right now. Another tall tag. The comment. Okay, lay down. I can't come pet you right now. It's her post get up. Why aren't you petting me? And this is opens up to a writing spot. And like I said, she's not particularly fat. She's not a chunky monkey. She's just really hefty because of the centers. And then the tuck spot. And the end of that signature, beginning of another. I did some stickers and some not. Another fold out if I can get my fingers under it. Don't, she's looking at me all reproachfully like, why aren't you over here giving me my post get up pets? Or rubs, as you say, across the pond. So here's obviously fold out pockets. With those little, I feel like my arms are so short. I can barely, I'm telling you, this stool is probably 5 inches tall. And I mean, I'm way higher than I need to be, but And then here's that on this page. It's just funny. Here I am. I can't even see. She's so long tall that I have to stand on a stool or some kind of risen platform to be able to see the top. Yep. Yeah. And there we go. And it folds out one more time. Another. This one. And then the charms on here. Little snowflake and Christmas tree. More bows. More of this. There we go. There's a flip out of tracing paper, a postcard, and I tried to do some heat embossing and it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But, you know, it gives it just a little bit of a hint. And there's a page, another postcard. Writing on it, spots. Here's the last flip out. And I, again, tried to go light with some of them. One of my die cuts that I did. I actually cut this out of this silver. It's silver on the front. It's kind of a shimmery, it's got something woven into it. It almost feels more like a light fabric. And I ended up liking the back side of it better. Santa. And then the last pocket. Another postcard. This is actually a donkey that's eating a carrot out of Frosty. And then here. And somewhere I picked up some glitter. Well, you know what they say about glitter. So that's that. And I wanted to see if I had it really close and handy. My next is my design team project. Now all I've gotten done, my next Christmas is going to be a design team for Kyung Shotwell. I'm a proud design team member. And I'm using her lovely papers, but first I want to show you the cover. Oh yeah, there it shows up. So I did some iridescent paints. You know, I like my shimmeries. I did a couple 3 layers, 3 different colors. And then I have this Merry Christmas stamp, which probably don't have it as handy as I would have liked. And I stamped it while it was still wet. Okay, it does show up. I also did the back, but it didn't stamp as deeply. And it's harder to see. Anyway, so this is the one I'll start, and the video you will see on Monday. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let's see what else. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment in the comment box, even if it's a little smiley face. Yeah. I think that's everything. And so on that note, put you back in the middle. I bid you adieu and peace out. Bye, guys.